If you've lost access to your Yahoo Mail account and no longer have access to your recovery email, follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper page. This tool will guide you through the process of recovering your account by asking for information related to your account. Step 2. Enter your Yahoo ID. Input your Yahoo email address or mobile phone number associated with your account. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. Since you don't have access to your recovery email, select the option to receive a verification code via your registered mobile number, if available. If you don't have access to any recovery options, click on I don't have access to this email to explore alternative recovery methods. Step 4. Verify your identity. If you receive a verification code on your mobile device, enter it in the provided field. This step is crucial for confirming your identity and regaining access to your account. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to save it securely. If you follow these steps and still cannot recover your account, consider reaching out to Yahoo customer support for further assistance.